AI just changed the entire trajectory of movies and content creation. And these blindsiding changes have really freaked people out. But with these changes comes a very interesting and easy opportunity that content creators, filmmakers, businesses, or just anyone interested in the technology can take advantage of. Most people think AI is just going to infiltrate Hollywood and we will just see more CG or just see more fake or digitized actors and such. But it's expanding so much bigger, like the internet. I'm going to show you exactly how to harness this technology for free or virtually free for anyone, whether you want to create content or you're just curious what you're going to be seeing in the future if you have one of these. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dan, and I explore the changing trends in media and content creation and find real ways to make money in the space. So let's get right to it. So I'm sure you've heard a lot about AI everywhere, and I'm not going to just sit here and tell you my opinion. Whether it's going to kill good cinema or whether it's going to take away performers and writers' jobs, that's a very in-depth topic. But for this channel, we watch the trends and see what may be there to take advantage of. Because if you don't jump on opportunities, you will always be behind and then regret later not doing it. Trust me, it happened to me plenty of times throughout my career. So right now, I want to show you how anyone can make content easily now with AI and where you can use this in your life. So here's the deal. All of the learning of proper TV script formats or editing tools and techniques, rules, guidelines, technicals, theory, that's now put on the back burner. You can learn that stuff later to really enhance your mindset, like learning history. But if you really want to master the new business of content creation and actually start making money or profit, you need to start changing your path right now. Trust me, I'm pissed. I went to 4 years of film school and I love movies and artistic and entertaining films. I also love intriguing short films and really anything that uses video or film production to convey a passionate story. But I also have to face reality, and the reality is AI is in the future, a big part of the future. Now, before I get all the haters commenting saying, AI can never replace humans, AI has no soul, AI doesn't understand art. Yes, I agree. But AI will be used, and instead, we now need to learn how to use it as a tool to make our lives easier. The creativeness will now be how to harness AI, which tools to use, and how to communicate with it to streamline everything. Because that's essentially what AI is. You can create a drawing yourself, learn to paint or draw, and it can take you a few hours. Or you can learn how to communicate with AI properly and get a drawing done in seconds. Maybe it's not for the real artist, but it's for someone looking towards the future in this business. Okay, so let's go through an example in the exact steps really fast to show you the power and capability of where it stands right now for realistically anyone, not just tech savvy. I think it's going to surprise you. So for this demo video, let's say I want to start an online business, or I have a product or event, or I want to promote or even make a short film. In the past, you would have to write a script, hire a crew to film it, and then of course everything else from editing, music, and so on. An entire complicated and expensive process for even something basic. But now, let's just take a look. All right, so let's say, okay, so I typed in Google and I found this website, ai.invideo, and I said, make me a 1-minute video about my new company that creates coffee mugs that are very stylish, but also environmentally friendly, and with every purchase, we donate half the proceeds to charity. That's very popular right now. Okay, I'm gonna click coffee lovers, and it's gonna be for YouTube. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, and here we go, let's play it.
Imagine a world where style meets sustainability, where your morning coffee can make a difference. Welcome to a revolution in your daily routine.
All right,
our company has crafted the perfect blend of chic design and environmental responsibility.
I don't know what
Each
it is,
of our coffee mugs is
not
only a statement piece, but also a testament to our commitment to the planet. Crafted with care, they are a toast to our earth, using materials that are as stylish as they are sustainable. But it's not just about the mugs. It's about the impact. With every purchase, half of the proceeds go directly to charity. So as you sip your favorite brew from our mugs, know that you're not just starting your day right, but also helping to make this world a better place. Our coffee mugs aren't just about serving coffee. They serve a purpose. Join us in this journey of style, sustainability, and social responsibility. Because the best part of waking up is making a difference.
Okay, now let's say you have your own script and you want it to say something very specific, okay? So then you're gonna wanna go to ChatGPT, and then Gives you your script completed. Within a few seconds, you copy and you paste it, put it back into the AI program, and click generate. Right, and let's see what it looks like.
Crisp mornings meet your match, Brew Buddy. Our mugs aren't just stylish, they're a statement, each sip a testament to your exquisite taste and benevolent heart. With every Brew Buddy purchase, half the proceeds go to charity. Now that's a cup of joe with purpose. Brew Buddy, making your mornings brighter and the world a little better.
Now, I know this specific site or this basic level AI may not work for a real movie or feature film yet. But it's here right now for anyone to make commercials, promo videos, short films, viral videos. How long do you think until it furthers itself in another category? 20th Century Fox made a movie called Morgan, and they had IBM's Watson use its technology to analyze the movie and make a complete trailer for it using AI. They said they essentially just sent Watson to film school to learn how to analyze everything so that it could create in the future. And that movie was like 7 years ago. More and more movies have used AI trailer editing, so it's coming along. Now let's be clear, I do not think that this is the future of movies, where one dude in a basement types something on a computer to a cheap app and it's what people see in the theaters. But this technology, some of these steps will be used, and when you put it all together, it will be in the process. So if you want to learn, if you want to be ahead of the trend, if you want to profit from this, learn these techniques, learn about this tech for your own benefit, invest in these companies. It's like if I were to go back to the auto industry and robotics, I wouldn't spend time learning the skills of an assembly line worker or a trade that's been disrupted, but the skills of a robotic engineer. Sure, I'd rather a car made completely by hand, but let's just be real on how capitalism works. Studios, independent production companies, personal brands, and small businesses are already trying to figure out how to use this properly and create processes to implement it. Become a pro in this category and you will be successful. Whether for yourself and your own profitable journey to do your own thing, which I recommend, or having valuable skills for an employer in the future. But tell me what you think. I would love to hear everyone's thoughts on this disruptive technology. And of course, I ask that if you like my videos to subscribe. It's the best compliment and reason to continue. As always, I'll be back soon with more videos explaining real opportunities to make money in the ever-evolving content creation space. Thanks for watching.